Hey guys, welcome back to Ouch Mountain. Today is a beautiful day here in East Tennessee. It's a beautiful spring day in the 70s, bright and sunny, so it's a great day to get outside and do some work. Today we're going to do some logging road maintenance here on one of our trails on our property. As you can see, we've got some small trees down that have blown over, but the bigger problem is just right down here, a little bit further down the road. So let's go take a look.
So Jason and I were out here in the woods working. We just kind of got down here to take a look at these trees and heard something rustling around up here in the leaves. And, you know, we always have squirrels and chipmunks and those kinds of critters running around. And so I thought it was maybe a mouse. I could see the leaves moving, but that's really all I saw. So Jason, with his, what I call snake vision, saw what we were hearing. I never seem to be able to see these snakes, but he can always spot them in the woods. I could be standing right on top of one and wouldn't see it. But anyway, this is what we saw. You guys take a look. I guess he is having his morning breakfast. I wasn't sure what I was looking at. And then I took a little closer look and realized what it was. We know where these frogs live. They live up here by the barn. There's a little ditch that stays pretty wet, and they're always making noises over there in that ditch. And so I assume Mr. Snakey has been up there to get his breakfast this morning. So we're going to have to keep our eyes open when we're up there working. But anyway, it is kind of early in the season to be seeing this fella out. But he was there, and he was eating his breakfast. And we just need to keep our eyes open when we're out in the woods.
So here we have a great big oak that has blown over, and this blew over just maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago in kind of one of our windstorms we had. The giant tree, it still goes on and on here out in the woods. But what's really interesting is maybe an hour ago we were getting ready to come out and start working on it, and we had another tree fall. This tree broke off, kind of exploded really. And it looks like it was probably already dead, but it was still standing, and it fell just about an hour ago. So I'm glad we weren't here to already working on this. One of us may have gotten hurt, so thank goodness we were not around when it fell.
You can see just how close together these two trees are, and our initial plan was to come out and start working in the woods pretty early this morning, but God had his hand of protection on us and put Jason on the roof cleaning leaves out of the gutters instead. So we weren't out here when this tree fell, and we were very thankful for that.
We've got a lot of work to do. It may take us more than one day to get this cleaned up, just the two of us. But as you can see, we've got 2 big oak trees. We'll see how sound this tree over here that fell just here in the last couple hours. We'll see how sound it is, see if maybe we can get a log out of it. But I'm pretty sure this tree should be pretty good. It's been uprooted, and there's a couple good logs in it that we can put on the sawmill, and a whole lot of firewood that we can get out of the top of this tree. So as you can see, this logging road gets kind of steep coming up out of this hollow, and we're going to do our best to get this tree cut up and just really try to get the road clear today. I don't know that we can get a lot done other than maybe getting the top of it cleared, top of it out of the middle of the road. So that's what our plan is going to be today. This is the middle of the road right here. So we've got a lot to do here just to get it cleaned up. So I think we're going to pile up what's going to be firewood into some lengths I can get with the tractor, and put the brush over on this side, and either the brush will stay there or I'll carry it off with the tractor and the grapple later. we've worked pretty hard today to clean up the brush from this tree. We've got a great big pile of brush here, and there's still more to go. And we've got a pretty nice, I guess, a small stack of poles here that we'll cut up for firewood and come back and get later. So we weren't able to finish up yesterday trying to get this big tree cleared out of our logging road. We kind of got a call and had to leave kind of abruptly, but everything's good. But hopefully the next few days we'll have some good weather and try to get this cleaned up. But we appreciate you guys watching. And if you like our videos, hit the subscribe button, click the like button, send us some comments, and share with a friend. And we'll see you next time on Ouch Mountain.